Hello and welcome to our presentation of DocBits, the IDP solution from FellowPro for your Infor ERP system. Today, we are focusing on the order matching in DocBits and will demonstrate how it handles discrepancies between orders and invoices. First, let's take a look at invoice validation. We have received an invoice that we will now process through DocBits. Watch how our system effortlessly extracts and validates key information. Notice how DocBits accurately captures all the important details, such as supplier information, invoice number, and amounts. Now let's switch to order matching. We have a corresponding purchase order for this invoice, and we will see how DocBits matches it. As you can see, DocBits is now comparing the invoice to the order. But wait, there's a discrepancy. The ordered quantity is less than the billed quantity. This is a common issue in many companies. DocBits highlights such discrepancies and ensures that you only pay for what you have ordered. That was a brief insight into the capabilities of DocBits to streamline your invoicing and ordering processes efficiently and accurately. Whether it's validating invoices or matching orders, DocBits stands for precision and efficiency in your financial management. Would you like to learn more about DocBits or try the solution yourself? Visit the Infor Marketplace or the FellowPro website. We thank you for your attention and look forward to supporting your company with DocBits.